Hey guys, I just thought I'd do an unboxing today. Happy Friday, everybody. Sunny, beautiful day outside. Beautiful and like 33 degrees or something like that. So, anyway, just a reminder, check out my second channel. I've scanned my first items under Cameraman's new inventory system. So, check it out on the second channel. I'll link to it below. It worked out pretty well. So, today I decided to do an unboxing of the New Beauty luxury box, the year-end box, which has some fun stuff in it, and there's one product in there that really just made me pull the trigger. So, yeah. Okay, let me fire it up. Fire it up. Fire it up, Sarah. Da-da-da-da. It is heavy. It came and was put outside, and it was heavy. Holy buckets. I'm such a dorky Minnesotan. Hello, holy buckets. Okay, here we go with some goodies. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Rare Beauty Body and Hair Fragrance Mist. I'm not really into fragrance. Well, whatever. I'll check it out. Okay. Pharmacy Honey Glow 17% Resurfacing Serum. This one I'll give away because I purchased this one and I'm not even half the bottle through and I still haven't reviewed it. It is strong. Grand Lash Enhancing Serum. Let's see. Does this use... What ingredients does this one use? Oh, it's got the, it's got the growing things in here. I did hear it's kind of harsh, though, so. Let's see, Charlotte Tilbury Blush Wand. Yeah, I'm not very good with that, but I'll give it a whirl. Yeah, okay. Origins Retexturize. Actually, this is one of the Origin products I actually kind of like. It does have a scent to it, but it's not overwhelming. It's a rinse-off mask. Oh, here's the reason I picked the box up, pretty much. Well, I mean, everything else is a bonus because this stuff is expensive. But I really like their advanced serum, but I wanted to try this one out. I think I tried it out a while ago. It does have a strong smell to it, but it's the ingredients in here are really expensive. So, yeah. Human Fibroblast Conditioned Media, that's the expensive part. So, yeah. Let's see. Okay. The Rootist, I think it's a... scalp product, so use it on your, it's a dry shampoo, strengthening serum. Okay, I like scalp products, so let's see. Okay, never heard of this. Vegan something or other. I can't read it. Natural Ecos exfoliating shower gel. Oh, good thing it came with a seal on it because it came opened. That would have been a disaster. See, shower elixir, power blend elixir. I think it's supposed to look like a champagne bottle or something fancy.
Not really.
Firm and plump. Okay. It's a moisturizer, I guess. Okay. No ingredient list on it. Distributed by Three Dog Beauty, Tampa. Okay. We'll give that a whirl. Okay, Superfoods Variety Pack. I will give that a whirl because I'm really getting into some of the nutrition stuff, protein and all of that good stuff, so I'll give that a whirl for sure. Let's see, what is this? Calcium. Colicium? I've heard of this brand. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a serum of some sort. It's a little baby bottle. Okay, we'll give that a whirl. What is it? It's just a professional serum. Hyaluronic acid, glycoprotein, soluble collagen. Okay. Oh, this is another reason I bought it. The Elta MD foaming cleanser. I really like Elta MD and a lot of their goodies, so give that a whirl. The Shinery Jewelry Cleaner. Well, I'm not totally into jewelry, but I've got a watch I can clean with it. Verso Cleansing Balm. Man, I'm going to have the cleanest skin in North America. Yeah. Erno Laszlo Soothing Emulsion for sensitive skin. Sorry, I'm trying to look at the ingredients. Ceramide, shea butter, good stuff. Super Finish Dry Shampoo. I'm going to give that to a friend of Cameraman's wife. She likes dry shampoo, I think. Oh, a brush. Sonic toothbrush. Cool. Huh. Interesting.
You should give that away. You've already got 3 toothbrushes.
I know. I've got the whitening toothbrush, then I've got an Oral-B, then I've got a Sonicare. I'm very into clean teeth.
Leave a comment if she should give that away.
Deep Wrinkle Filler, Beverly Hills MD. Okay. U Beauty, the Plasma Lip Balm. This brand came kind of expensive, so, but I'll give it a whirl. I'm into lip stuff. I'm really liking the term whirl today. I'm gonna give that a whirl. I'm gonna give this a whirl. I'm gonna give that a whirl. A supplement, man, that thing weighs like 100 pounds. An age supplement, I don't know. Timeline supplement, what's in it? Looks like vitamin A, really. Mitopure Urethane A. Okay, there we go. Bondi Boost Hair Mask. What is
Is that
this?
from Australia?
The Bondi. I think the brand is, but yeah, made in Australia. No, designed in Australia, but made in the U.S. So they designed it there. What is this? A moisturizer, shea butter balm.
Ooh.
I wonder if that has a lot of fragrance in it or not. My hand, it does have a lot of fragrance.
I'll use it. Is it solid?
Sealed though.
Oh.
My hands are so bad right now. It all started with this finger, and then it was all downhill from there. Oh, Thrive Beauty lipstick. I'm going to give this to a friend because this looks kind of very pigmented. The name is Jessica. Although, I finally got my own Hurricane Sarah. Finally. Okay, Rare Beauty eye patches, eye mask. Collagen mask. And then, last but not least, a Paris Hilton perfume. Just what I've always wanted. My very own Paris Hilton perfume. I'll probably give this. Anybody that likes this, I'll probably just give it away.
Is it heavy?
It's kind of heavy, yeah. I don't even want to take it out of the box because it's sealed anyway. So, yeah. Somebody will like it. I'm sure somebody will like it. So anyway, there we go. Yeah, so we got some solid winners. I mean, I know this is going to smell, but I'm into this ingredient. So, yeah. Good stuff. Anyway, that's what I got for today. Leave a comment. A lot of these will be gifted. And then, yeah, check out my video on the second channel on my inventory system. So, thanks so much. I'll see you guys more tomorrow. Bye, guys.